Well, the crew's all here and we are prepping the walls by scraping them and making sure this is going to be a smooth surface to apply the panel board to. While this is a tedious process, it is almost done. Just a few more boards. We don't have the crew anymore, so Jana and I go solo, putting the panel wall up in the master bedroom. Jana and I knocked out the master bedroom, and that was not too difficult. This was actually using a 12-inch panel instead of the 8-inch panel, so it went quicker. Anyway, we're just utilizing the leftover stuff that we had from the siding. So anyway, I think it's gonna look good, especially when it's all painted up, and we're getting ready to go grab a bite to eat. Then we're gonna get started on the second bedroom, so hang in there. All right, guys, so it was hard work. We got a lot of it done, as you saw. Thank you, guys. Appreciate all your help. I'm going to bed.
Same. Okay.